Okay. So the answer, based on the previous video, the answer is imperceptible. It's obvious. When you read through it, you get the sense that okay, they say you can walk off the coast and not know you are over the hidden sea. This is the key. You can walk over that sea, and so hidden sea. So the word there is even hidden sea. So imperceptible. None of these options actually fits into that category. Precarious or certain, something that is not constant. That's precariously and doesn't fit here. And relentlessly, irregular. No. So let's go to the last set of question, which is the sentence equivalent question. So all these will be set under the um under the verbal reasoning. This is the last set of question. Now, always read the instruction. Select the two answer choice that when used to complete the sentence will fit the meaning of the sentence as a whole and produce complete sense that are alike in meaning. So you are going to pick two options. No, total completion, just pick one. But here you are picking two options out of this. You are looking for pair. And look at it. Although it does not contain some pioneering idea, although can you imagine? See, I've made a mistake. Although it does contain some pioneering, and that means it actually has this pioneering is a key. Although is a key to, because it's telling you the opposite, this other side will be like opposite. So although it does contain some pioneering, and the pioneering means what? Pioneering is like you just start something, the beginning of something. Pioneering or something that is new. New. That's meaning of pioneering. Okay, let me read again. Although it does contain some pioneering ideas, one would hardly, this hardly has changed the direction again. Although I start it, this hardly is another point out. So it means that it has to go. But normally, if you have said that although it does contain some pioneering ideas, you'll be looking for the opposite of pioneering, which is like something like it's not new. So like it's that is like that is I said that we existing before, like maybe convert old, looking for that to be at the other part of the set. But no, but here since you've seen hardly, so it has returned it back to pioneering, get it back to just flip it again. There's some key, they used to call them words. No, like they're using however, but all those words, they change the direction of the sentence. Hardly to, although give us a direction and change direction of this sentence here. So hardly to has changed it back. So it means we are still talking about pioneering ideas. So one would hardly characterize the word as. Now we are looking for pioneering ideas. Don't be distracted. This is a very smart thing. These are the key. This, this. Those are the things you need. So now look at it. So we are looking for pioneering. So now anything that is pioneering like new. Orthodox makes sense. When I say orthodox, that's old. No, it's not. Because this is new. Looking for something new. So it's kind of eccentric. To frank, I don't even know the meaning of eccentric, but I know it's a positive word. It should be a positive or maybe energetic. I don't know, but the way it sounds like a positive, but it's not what we need here. I'm looking for new. Original. Original look very, very attracting. Original, when you just start something, it's original, right? Yes. Let me keep this. And let me look for another word. Trifling. No, trifling is not correct. It doesn't even sound in the way what I'm looking for. Conventional is old. Conventional and this guy goes orthodox. They go together. So if I see orthodox and conventional, I know this one. This one is wrong. This one is wrong. Eccentric is wrong. Original, I say it's still right. Trifling is wrong. I'm sure it's wrong because there's no other word to even balance itself. Or maybe it's this one that will balance. I don't know, but it's wrong. But innovation. Innovation means what? New. Innovate. If you are not careful, you go and pick original and maybe conventional. But it's wrong. Conventional and fails goes together. It's old and old. Innovation and original. That's the right answer. So CF is the correct answer here. So you have to be very, can you see? It's more of, you have to be very careful. And all these things comes from consistent training. Seeing the way they say question and be smart with it. And with time, remember there will be a time. But since we are still, we are new, So I don't want to bother with time, but with time goes on, I'm going to start using time for you. Now, so the answer is CF. CF. So let's see. Can you see? CF, original. And so that's, if you read through this, it's still telling you, it's going to tell you everything I've said. So please, those are the skills you need. Now, let's see the other question. It was our view that country's problem had been dashed by foreign technocrats. Technocrats is supposed to be negative, some bad people have been. Yes. So I feel that country problem had been maybe like it's caused by foreign technocrats. So this is the way they decided sounding in my own ear, like okay, these people, the foreign technocrats are the one that causes the country's problem. That's how I'm feeling. It's her view that okay, or that is how she sees it. It's her view that the country's problem had been caused by foreign. I'm just using cause here. I'm not checking. Don't look at the option. When you are reading the cause, don't forget about the option. Try to provide an answer from your head. If you might not have a straight word like I'm using, you can have an explanation. So that explanation is something you keep it and you look at the option to know. Right? But let's finish up so that to ask for such assistance again would be counterproductive. Now that means she sees counterproductive is a very key word here. And so let's just say collaborating means like this affects the option here because so to act for such assistance to go and meet those foreign technocrats again, you serve as counterproductive. That means it means that it's going to worsen the case, something like that. So had been dashed, something like this, has been counterproductive by the foreign. Okay, has been caused. So that is the problem. Is either is cause or is a negative word we are looking for here because it's counterproductive and the weak. So let's look for something like cost or counterproductive, something like that has to do with negative. Let's look for negative first. Ameliorated, this is a positive word, so it's wrong. Can't use that. Ascertained. Another means sure. That's too extreme. They're not saying that they are certain. It might make sense, but it's not because it's too extreme. Ascertained and like surely these are the people that are causing because there's no confirmation to see that. But she's just saying it. That means she's speculating. She's still thinking, okay, this problem is actually caused by these people. So we are not even sure if the way to use ascertain is too much. It won't fit into the context. So it is in our view. That means that's our own perspective. That means another person can say, okay, they are not actually. These foreign technocrats are not actually the one that caused this problem. No, but this is what this sentence is sounding. But if you are putting ascertain, that means that everybody agrees, which is wrong. Diagnose, no. Not diagnosing and had been diagnosed by no. If they are the one that diagnose, if the foreign technocrats are the one that diagnose, then it will be smart to counter them because that means they are helping. But in this case, they are not, so it's not diagnosed. Exacerbated. Exacerbation means worsen. And that's a negative word. Let's see if it works there. So let's see. Has been exacerbated, has been worsened by foreign technocrats. Yes, that means the problem has been compounded, has been worsened. I think this one works well. Exacerbated, so it's correct. But let's see what I've overlooked. No, it can't be overlooked now. It doesn't make any sense. It doesn't even fit with the second line. So what's it? Can you say? It's even there. So D and F is correct answer. So the answer here is. So let's read this together. It was in our view that the country's problem had been exacerbated or worsened by foreign technical. So is the answer. So let's check. And you say exacerbated and worsened. So let me use the remaining time to just say some things about the GRE. Now, there are three sections that I explained earlier. The writing section, I'll be talking about that one later, but I want us to focus on the verbal reasoning and the quantitative. Now, even this verbal reasoning, there's a way you should be doing it. You have to be very smart. For example, this 3 column, 1, 2, 3, is a question and it's going to carry a particular point. That same point is the same. If you do a 2-line, this one, you're still going to get the same point. But you waste more time here because it's 3 column. It's 3 column. You use more time here than use more time to doing this one. And even finally, it's going to be a 1 column. remove this one column. So all this one is the same point. Point, this particular one is going to give, if the score is 1, you're going to get a score of 1 for it, for one column. If it's a second column, you're going to get the same 1 mark for this number 2 2. But if one of the blank is wrong, then you miss the whole point. So it's smart for you to start from a single column first. Just check through the question, because this is just like a sample of the way the question will. By the time I start giving it, as you see, there are more than one question. This is just like an example or prototype. So you go and do the question with 1 blank first, then you go to 2 blank, or you can target first and second blank first. That's what I normally do actually. So first and second blank first, then the one that with three blank, you leave it till later. But those are the questions you do last. This one do last. In fact, you go and do your reading passage too. In fact, before you even do this one, you go and do your reading comprehension passage too. So now just read and answer question, and you do your sentence equivalent part, which is the third part. I just did today here, like this one. Sentence equivalent part. Yeah, this is so it's just one listening. So my opinion, just do that text completion, the one that is 1 column, double column, then do your second sentence equivalence next. And after that, you go and do your reading comprehension. And lastly, you now go back to this 3 column, because it takes time, a lot of time. This is the question you do last, so it takes a lot of time. Because if you notice the video, I did just one video for the almost, it took the time I used to do this particular question, it was plenty. So, and the funny thing is that they carry the same mark, all of them, right? So it's smart for you to think that way. So the next, I'm going to give you an assignment. I'm going to send the document to you. And please, I want you to use a date. It's quite much. Assignment is somehow, it's quite much. So please, I need you to put in your best into that assignment. And don't get discouraged at first. When you do it, you might not get your desired score and all of that. You might see a lot of mistake, and the score might be discouraging and all of that. But don't worry, it's training. It's supposed to be changing daily. You get, so you will do your best, do it, and when you are done with it, you do your correction, because there won't be time for me to be doing all the things I'm supposed to be doing. So I'll send the book to you, the assignment to you, and I'll send the answers to the solutions to the. And so when you read through between the lines, you should be able to see yourself where you are right and where you are wrong. And I'm just going to explain to you how you are going to even do the assignment. There's a way you should do it, so that I want you to get the best out of it. So please, ma, I know you're a very busy person. You are a woman, a wife, and you have a lot of responsibility. So please just plan your time such a way that everything you want to do, you do it, and you need a lot of time for preparation. I don't just do things. I like to do things and make sure that it's done well. So by the time the result comes out, everybody will be smiling. That's what I love. Not that the result comes out and you feel like wow. So please, I want you to give it. It will take your time. That's the secret. It's going to take a lot of your time. So you need to quickly arrange and plan your time very well. Don't procrastinate. If you procrastinate, it's going to happen, because all these things require energy and time. And if the time is not enough, you can't even gain enough. You're not doing to make up time. You're supposed to be learning, not just doing things. So please, ma, do plan your time very well. Everything you want to do it. Then you need to go and repeat, just go and read and make sure. And I need you to work very well. So this assignment I'm giving you, I'm going to give you 24 hours for the exam, for the assignment, and the correction. Yes. And the 24 hours is not much, but because you are just starting for the first time, I'll give you that. Within 24 hours, the assignment must be submitted. I actually planned to send this video earlier today, but I could not do the video because I was looking for a place where I could make a proper recording. So please, tomorrow I'll make sure it comes early, so that you can start your work early and and give it back. Get the score from you later. So thank you very much for your time, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you.